I can't afford to buy a house in this area anyway. Not here, but now I must find a place where I can afford the rent. If there is any issue in the future, then where can I go with Pari at the last moment?
Mom, come here.
Yes, my
Isn't
dear.
this a nice balloon?
Hmm.
Friend,
Oh, what is it?
I am feeling very hungry. Let's go to a restaurant.
At once. Let's go.
Okay, easy. Come, dear. Sit. Hey, Pari. Sit here. Why are you sitting
No,
there?
I want to sit here.
Never mind, let it be. That's okay. Sit, sit. Are you comfortable? Thank you. Here you are. Choose whatever you want. Neha, what would you like to order? Order it, please. And don't worry about money.
You know what? Some dishes are too expensive and unjustified. Really, I mean it. They are way too expensive and they are not even filling.
It is too much, you know. Anyway, excuse me. I'll have a sandwich and what would you like?
I want this.
Masala pasta. One masala pasta.
Pari, don't order it.
I want it and that's that.
Well, let her eat what she wants.
Mama, I eat roti every day, right? I want to eat this today.
You can eat. Get a masala pasta. And you?
Get me this.
Extra chutney?
What are you doing, Neha? Will you eat chutney? I have the cash, okay? Relax.
I will eat idli sambar.
Idli sambar.
Yash, you pamper Pari so much. Later it will be problem for me.
It won't cause any trouble. I'm with you.
Friend, can I tell you something funny that happened at our school?
Oh, tell me. Thank you.
Let it be. I'll feed her.
Wait.
Yash, tell me something. You get so messy about other things. How come you have these good table manners?
Actually, I was in boarding school. We were taught there.
Did you trouble your parents too? Is that why they sent you to the boarding school?
No. When I was a kid, my parents went to heaven when I was very small. And so, I was put into a boarding school.
Sorry, friend.
It's okay.
Sorry, Yash.
It's okay.
Yash, tell me something. Why don't you think of Shefali seriously? So you will have someone to love for the rest of your life.
Why are you going after with me with such determination? Besides, your friend wants a man who has 5,000 million. And that's why she's chasing Samir sir.
Hey, Shefali talks nonsense. She can't convince Samir sir to love her. He has 5,000 million and whatnot. We'll get rid of those thoughts from her mind. But you must think about her seriously. She's a bit daft, you know. But she's good at heart. She'll take very good care of you.
Yes. Sorry, I have to send a very urgent message. One moment, please.
What is the matter? Why are you so distracted?
Sorry,
Don't you want to eat?
I am eating.
Then what? Should we get the bill?
Yes. Sure.
Waiter! Give me the bill.
Ma'am, our boss has given you a complimentary meal today, so we won't offer you a bill. Thank you.
How come? Complimentary.
Oh, wow. This is great. Complimentary.
The other day we went to a 5-star hotel.
Yes.
You were with us too.
Yes, correct.
The bill was already paid there in this manner. And even today,
Is that so? Put the bill for the table on my tab.
That
Yeah.
table?
Thank you.
what a coincidence.
See, you have nothing to fret about. See, the thing is, I'm very lucky. That's why staying with me.
I believe it. You are lucky.
Pari, where do you want to go now?
Yash, listen, I have something to do. Do you know Paranspe, the lawyer who is helping with my house?
Yeah.
Yes, I have to go to his office. Just for 5 minutes. Can I do that and we will go ahead? Will that do?
Sure.
Let's go, Pari.
Come on. Is it nearby?
Yes.
Hey. Go inside.
Let me clean up the rest.
Do as you are told. Miss Neha. Come on in. Welcome. Please sit down,
Yes.
please. Have a seat. I'm sorry, Miss Neha. Honestly, I didn't want to trouble you, but what can I do?
You must know each other. You met him in Blue Star Hotel the other day?
Yes, I remember. Mr. Yash,
Yeah.
I do not know why, but somehow I feel I have seen you somewhere.
Okay.
Please have a seat.
No, I'll sit here.
Okay.
This is my salary slip.
I'm glad, Miss Neha. You gave it to me today. I mean, now I can see if the deadline can be pushed. And I am really sorry, Miss Neha. I mean, you must have weekend plans, I'm sure, but I am genuinely trying, you see, to get you out of this trouble, you know?
Why must you say sorry? In fact, you are helping me. These procedures are not known to me.
Sir, should I send for special tea?
Who asked you? No, I mean, I'm telling him so you don't waste your time. Would you like some? Tell me.
No, we really don't want anything.
I will tell you what I discussed with the bank officials, okay?
Can we go now?
Are you leaving? Okay.
Let's go, Pari.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Pleasure meeting.
Same here.
Let's
Bye,
go.
Miss Neha. Bye. I will get your house. But I will get you too.
Let's go, Pari.
Yeah. This Paransh Bhai is an okay guy, right?
Yes, he's a good man. Why are you asking like that?
No. Just asking. Can we go?
Friend, push me on the swing.
Yes, of course. See, is this okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Pari, hold on tight, dear. Don't let go. Yeah, tell me.
What's up, Yashvardhan Chaudhary? You flew off with Pari and forgot all about me.
You said Yash go. Yash go, Yash go, Yash go. Pari isn't letting me go, man. She's so cute. But if you're done humming, then tell me what it means in words, please.
No, I just mean to say this is how these things begin. It starts slowly and then...
It won't happen. Why can't you folks bear to see me alone and happy?
Wait 1 moment. When you say you folks, who do you mean by them?
I mean, you, Grandpa, Neha. Neha's thinking about something very different right now.
What?
Now she's teasing me about Shefali.
That's the best. Take her away so I can be free. Take her away.
No, sir. How can I let you be free so easily? I'm right here. Shefali has all my support. Don't you worry. I won't allow her to stop dreaming about you.
I see.
Friend,
Yes.
push me.
Yes, I will. Okay, I'm hanging up. Anything urgent?
No, it's okay. See you. Bye. Yash, I almost forgot.
Okay, bye.
Yash,
Yes,
come here. I want to speak to you.
coming. Hold tight, dear. Don't let go. I'll be right back. What is it?
Tell me, do you drink booze?
What?
Do you drink liquor?
What kind of question is that, Neha?
Please tell me, do you drink or not?
No, I don't drink liquor.
Do you smoke cigarettes?
Are you okay?
Tell me, do you smoke cigarettes or not?
No, I don't smoke.
Do you gamble?
Are you unwell? What are you asking me?
Tell me, do you gamble or not?
I don't do anything of the sort. I don't smoke, drink, or gamble, okay?
Then you are perfect for Shefali.
What? Is this what you wanted to ask me?
Of course. Listen, she lives in a 2 BHK flat. Son-in-law, your house issues will be resolved too. You and Shefali are perfect for each other. You must say yes to her.
Friend,
Yes, dear.
come and stay with us.
What is that now?
Mom, can he come and stay with us? Me, Mom, and you. You will have lots of fun. Fun!
Zero 005
005
Amber Society,
Amber Society,
Shelar Pada,
Shelarpara.
Thane West.
Yes! 005 Amber Society, Thane West.
Come on, let's go. Hurry up, your books are here.
Mom, I'm learning by heart now. Don't disturb me. The teacher said me. We must learn it by heart.
Do it. I won't disturb you.
If I get lost, I must know the address, right?
I would never let my sweet daughter get lost. Wait, let me get the injection. One moment, okay? Come, darling. Come. Come, my child.
Amber Society, Thane West. 005 Amber Society, Thane West. Amber Society, Thane West. Why must you cry every single day, Mom? It's a tiny little injection. You are strong, aren't you?
Let's go. Should we leave?
Yes.
Let's hurry up. Come on. Come, come, come. What?
Mr. Patel, you seem to run a lot of businesses.
Yes, I do. I have some small time businesses.
Small time. Don't make fun of me, sir. Look at this, sir. He gets all the contracts, okay? But that's for interiors, furniture, catering, papers, even water. Do you run all these businesses with unverified receipts? It must be causing a lot of confusion, right?
Yes, it does. There is a lot of
I
confusion.
can see that on your face. The confusion.
What happened? Why is this Ghartonde sweating so much?
He's bound to. When Sir wasn't around, he ruled the roost. He must have cooked up some scam. He's scared he will get caught now.
This is the truth about you. Sir told you about it just now. Remember that. When he stops talking, I speak. And when I speak, you will be roaming around with a handkerchief like Ghartonde, right? So this file, and all of this must stop from here on, right? Now Sir will tell you about the rest of it.
Do you see what I mean?
Don't tell anyone outside that we have spoken.
Very good. You can leave now. This has gone too deep, Samir. We have to dig deep and only then can we get to the real scam.
Right.
Do you understand why I gave Ghartonde a chance? Watch over him. Anyways. Samir, what's the status of Neha's advance salary?
Let me check at once. Ghartonde, come in, please.
Sir, you called me in?
Our employee Neha Kamath wants an advance on her salary.
But sir,
We don't want or need any arguments. She wants an advance salary and Sir has approved her request. Any problems? Get on with the procedure at once. Go on.
Okay, sir.